Mbunge ya Kitui niyavitukithya mwiao wa kulunga Utavi na Uthoosya wa Kithangathi kauntini ya Kitui ndini wa sikalo ilasi atoiwa miakoni ya mbunge isu mwene kivila wa komiti ya mawithuluko Kimanzi Mwange ni waweta kana mwiao no utethesya kusuvya mawithuluko vamwe na kaunti ya Kitui kuunika na Utavi wa Kithangathi vala mathingilila mwiao usu kutumika kuyanisya undu wa vikia na kuvitukithwa ni mbunge ya Kitui. Lina Musangi no utumbanisya ripoti.
Wasio mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui niyavikia na kuvitukithya mwiao wa kulunga Utavi na Uthoosya wa Kithangathi kauntini ya Kitui walokwitho ya mbea uthukumithya uvinda yonzeti na walivoti ya bunge kutungwa kula kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui.
Na nungamite vano ngutungia county assembly ya Kitui muvea muthenyani wa umunzi ni kwiza kuthia ni mwisi ni twithite twinenanisia mwiao wa kuhakikisha kana ni twethia na regulations cia wa Utavi wa Kithangathi katika kaunti yetu ya Kitui.
Moni na naandiki mama uvoiti na wasikalo cia bunge mwene kivila wa komiti kama withuluko bunge ni Kimanzi Mwange ni waweta takunethitwe na Utavi wa Kithangathi utena mivaka kauntini na kutuma mbusi sanangwa kwa kiwango kinene.
Has been debated and enacted now by the county assembly. We have had a problem. The industry was uncontrolled. People were doing what they wanted to do. There was no regulation at all. There was no revenue collection by the county government of Kitui. So we were just going at a loss. The communities were not benefiting at all, but outside were. So we have made this law, and you may wish to know, colleagues, that enacting this law today, this one puts Kitui County Assembly on the Kenyan map as the first assembly in Kenya to pass a new law since the beginning of third session of the third assembly, and that is true.
Na KMCA wa Meiwa ni Harrison Maluki ni waweta kana mwiao tautethesya kwa liula mawithuluko na vena vata wawo kutumika kuyanana na undu mauvitukithya
mwiao uno ila gavana ukuiku saini nikendose kuthia ni watu ikamwiao kuma vu nitwisikana ni mwiao ukwithia wambia kutethesya andu maitu ma Kitui na wese kwithia ni matetheka na rasilimali itu ya Kithangathi ila ithite iwitethia andu angi ona matumite katika kaunti itu ya Kitui. Kila tukulia ni kwisa kwithia ni twavitukithya mwiao tambunge ni mwiao usu wese kwithia undu twavitukithya wile ni wati wa wiliu na ni watethia andu maitu ma kaunti ya Kitui na wese kwithia Kithangathi chuni chende ya kutethia andu maitu ma kaunti ya Kitui.
MCA wa Miambani Alex Nganga na ule ingine wa mutongoi wala ni bunge ni waweta kana kianda kia governor Julius Makao Malombe kwithia kuumilia utheuni ilovila serikali ya kaunti kwithia yukwata kumana na utandithya wa Kithangathi na wa bunge ya Kitui kuvitukithya mwiao.
This law is not punitive to anyone. It is a law which streamlines, regulates operations and harvesting of sand in Kitui County. God blessed us way in many ways. And as in Kitui County, sand is one of the blessings God gave us. Like the people have coffee, others have tea, and others have whatever they have. And we have to regulate this.
Kuripoti Blingo mauvo kuma kauntini ya Kitui ni Lina Musangi.